Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best science experiments is probably one of the most exciting ways for teenagers to dive into the world of science. These experiments are designed to spark curiosity, encourage critical thinking, and make learning fun. From building volcanoes to creating slime, we'll explore a range of engaging projects that will ignite a passion for inquiry and investigation, all while providing a hands-on learning experience. Number 5. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. This amazing kit lets kids dive into over 100 exciting Earth science experiments. They can grow crystals and build a volcano. It's a fantastic way to learn about our planet. Everything needed for 15 incredible experiments is inside. This includes a water tornado and excavating for fool's gold. It provides hours of fun and discovery. The kit also includes 10 rock and mineral specimens. It's the perfect start to a rock collection. A case is included to keep the specimens safe. Want even more science fun? The kit comes with a bonus guide with over 85 additional experiments. These can all be done with common household items. This product is from Blue Marble, a Toy of the Year award winner. They create products that encourage learning and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This kit offers over 100 exciting experiments, providing endless fun. It also includes a rock collection, perfect for budding geologists. If you are looking for a comprehensive Earth science experience, this is the perfect choice. It's packed with activities and a bonus guide, so they can keep exploring the wonders of our planet. What people say. All the items in the kit were excellent and great quality. A really cool educational booklet came with the set, and we learned some really cool facts about non-Newtonian fluid and also learned about how putty came into existence. It was very surprising. Good product to give very nice learning experience for young scientists. Number 4. National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set for Kids. This amazing science kit includes 10 mind-blowing experiments. It allows kids to make a coin float and change the color of water. They will be amazed by what they can do. Each experiment is designed to be performed as a magic trick. The included magic wand and gloves will help them dress the part. It's fun and educational. The experiment guide has illustrated, kid-friendly instructions. It also provides insight into the science behind the magic. Kids will learn techniques used by real scientists. This kit includes all the tools needed for each experiment. The magical science fun can start right away. You don't need to search for extra tools. This is a high-quality, hands-on science toy. If you are not satisfied, let us know. We are proud to provide exceptional service. What we like. This kit transforms science into magic, captivating young minds. It includes a magic wand and gloves, allowing them to dress the part. If you like the idea of blending education with entertainment, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to be fun and educational, making science an unforgettable experience. What people say. I can't recommend this science magic kit enough. It was so much fun to use and perfect for a wide range of ages. The instructions were simple, clear, and easy to follow, no confusion or frustration, just pure fun. Everything we needed was included, excluding some basic household things. The results were impressive without being overly complicated. A fantastic blend of learning and entertainment. We had a blast. With 10 amazing magic tricks included in the set, kids are sure to be amazed and delighted as they learn the science behind each illusion. From disappearing ink to color-changing liquids, each trick is not only mesmerizing but also serves as a hands-on lesson in chemistry and physics. This set also includes STEM projects and science experiments that further enhance children's understanding of scientific principles. From creating bubbling potions to exploring the secrets of chromatography, kids can unleash their curiosity and creativity as they delve into the fascinating world of chemistry. Number 3. National Geographic Volcano Kit, STEM Science Toy. Get ready for more fun. This kit includes 3 times the eruption powder. It also comes with pop crystals, adding exciting sounds to the eruptions. This hands-on experiment kit is perfect for any science fair. The updated mold and instructions make it easy to assemble. The realistic paint colors give it a lifelike look. You'll get real pumice and geode specimens. Kids can see rocks created by a volcano. A full-color learning guide teaches about each rock and volcano science. It's a classic STEM project teaching kids about chemistry and geology. The volcano mold is reusable. The learning guide provides tips for different eruptions using household items. We are proud to make high-quality, hands-on science toys. All products are backed by exceptional service. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. This kit provides more eruptions for more fun, ensuring an exciting experience. It includes real volcanic rocks, offering a tangible connection to the science. If you are interested in a classic STEM project with a reusable volcano mold, you should consider this. It's a fantastic way to learn about geology and earth science. What people say. The Make Your Own Volcano Kit is a fantastic hands-on project for kids and adults alike. It's simple to set up and gives a real, satisfying eruption when you add the ingredients. The instructions are clear, and the materials provided are high quality. This kit is a perfect combination of science and fun. It includes everything you need to create an erupting volcano, which helped my children understand how volcanoes work in a really engaging way. The instructions are clear, and the process is easy to follow, even for younger kids. The kit includes a small booklet with fun facts about volcanoes, how they form, and how eruptions occur. It's educational without being too complicated, and my kids loved learning about real-life volcanoes. Number 2. National Geographic Chemistry Set, STEM Kit for Kids. Discover the amazing world of chemistry with this kit. It offers over 100 exciting experiments for kids to explore and learn through hands-on activities. They will have a blast. This kit comes with all the materials needed to conduct 15 stunning chemistry experiments. From growing crystals to changing colors, it provides everything needed to get started. It's all there. Want more? The fun doesn't stop there. This kit includes a bonus guide with over 85 additional experiments. These can be done with common household items, extending the learning experience. This kit is designed for hands-on STEM learning. Kids will use real scientific tools like test tubes and beakers. It's a fantastic way to explore the fascinating world of chemistry. This product is developed by Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. They focus on education, imagination, and creativity. They also provide US support to ensure a great experience. What we like. This kit offers over 100 exciting experiments, providing a wide range of activities. It encourages hands-on STEM learning, allowing kids to use real scientific tools. If you are looking for an award-winning product that fosters imagination and creativity, you should consider this. It's designed to make learning fun and engaging. What people say. The experiments worked and they had a lot of fun with it. The directions are wonderful and my young nephew loved doing it with his parents. My 10-year-old daughter loved erupting the volcano and growing glow-in-the-dark crystals. It felt like watching her discover a whole new world. Number 1. Playz Kaboom. Science Experiments Kit for Kids. Get ready for an amazing experience. This kit is designed to bring out the curiosity in every child. It's the perfect combination of fun and learning. This kit is loaded with value, offering over 50 exciting experiments. From balloon rockets to fizzy bombs, it provides endless entertainment. It's a fantastic way to explore the world of science. This is an excellent gift for kids aged 8 to 12. It's also great for teenagers. It's designed to keep them engaged and entertained for hours. Introduce young minds to the wonders of science. This kit makes learning about chemistry fun and engaging. It's a safe and entertaining way to learn. Don't worry if you're not a science expert. The kit includes a lab guide with pictures and step-by-step instructions. It makes the experiments easy to follow. What we like. This kit is packed with over 50 explosive science experiments, guaranteeing a blast. It's designed to be age-appropriate, making it a great gift for kids. If you have a curious kiddo who loves high-energy activities, this is the perfect choice. It's an exciting way to learn about chemistry with safe and entertaining experiments. What people say. My 12-year-old son is enjoying the experiments in this kit. One in particular, he took the principles he learned and expanded on them to make more explosive and to make the water bottle fly higher. This is probably the third or fourth kit I've bought to use with my daughter, and it's definitely been the best overall. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.